Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with a makeup tutorial on this look. I absolutely love how this look turned out and I hope you all enjoy watching this video as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And yeah, here's a close-up of the eye makeup look and let's begin. So I've just moisturized my skin. I'm skipping the primer for now. And I'm just using the Swiss Beauty concealer. This is in a darker color, I think sand. I'm using this as a color corrector and I'm just focusing it on my dark circles or anywhere else I might have pigmentation on my face. And now I'm using this Faces Canada foundation. This is not like a full coverage foundation per se, but it's very good for my dry skin. And I'm using my white sheet uh, foundation brush, and I'm going to be using this brush basically for like all the cream products or liquid products that I'm going to be using. Next, I'm using this concealer from L'Oreal Infallible. It's my favorite concealer. I've done a video on my favorite affordable concealers. If you haven't done that, seen that video, do check it out. It's very informative. I'm just going to apply this concealer and I'm again using the white sheet foundation brush to just blend everything into place. And I'm just going to basically tap everything, and this brush does such a wonderful job of blending everything into place. And I'm just going to take my time with blending because and then I'm just going to take this white sheet blender. As I was saying, I'm just going to take my time with blending because I don't want to hurry up the blending process. And once that is done, I'm satisfied with my blending. I'm just going to pick up a darker color in the K Beauty foundation to do my contouring bit. I'm just taking that on a synthetic brush and I'm just placing it wherever we do contouring. And again, I'm going in with the foundation brush from white sheet to just put everything into place. As you can see, just a few taps in the and this brush does the job for you. And now I'm taking my cream blush and I'm just going to apply that. And this one is from Kiko. It's one of my absolute favorite cream blushes. And I'm just going to blend that. And next, I'm just going to take a cream highlighter. This one is from Benefit. I'm just going to apply that on the center points like of my face wherever I've done highlighting basically. And then I'm taking this MAC beaming blush, something like that. Yeah, it's a highlighter. I'm just going to apply that. So I'm just adding the powder products over my wherever I've done use the cream products. So now I'm just adding the powder just like on the under eye area. Basically, that's where I'm focusing it the most. And now I'm taking the K Beauty powder, compact powder in a darker color and running that over uh, wherever I've done the contouring with. So I'm just using the powder minimally actually, just to maintain the dewiness or the freshness of the look. Now I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using the Etude House eyebrow pencil. I absolutely love this and have recommended this. Now moving on to the eye makeup, it's very simple. I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, X Patricia palette, and I'm taking the orangish shade on both the eyes and running that across as my transition color. And I'm making sure that I blow this color out. It's like very soft. And then I'm going to, on a smaller brush, I'm going to take the brown color and I'm just going to apply that on the inner and outermost corner of my eyes, basically doing a halo eye. So I'm just going to take the yellow from this is MAC palette, and I'm just going to do like a cut crease just right in the center of the eye. And once this is done, I'm going to layer it up with a yellow gold shade from the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm just going to wet my brush with a this is like a makeup setting spray, and then I'm just going to press it, and then I'm just going to make sure I'm again just blending the edges and making it soft. So there's a nice glitter also in this palette. I'm just going to tap that into place and keeping it right in the center. Now I'm going with the same color on my lower lash line, the brown color from the palette, and I'm just again taking this maroonish kind of a color, and I'm going to make my eyeliner from this, and later I also add some brown eyeshadow on top of it to just set this cream color. So I'm going to apply that. I'm not really making like a huge wing or anything, and then I'm just applying the highlighter on the inner corner and also under the eyebrows. Now the lipstick part, using a Wet n Wild brown lip liner to line my lips. I'm slightly, ever so slightly lining my lips, overlining my lips basically. And then I'm going to take a liquid lipstick. This one is from House of Makeup. It's a nice brown lipstick. So I'm just going to apply that. I'm trying to just not apply too much of the lipstick on the center part of my lips. I'm going to go in with like a very, very concealer kind of a shade nude lipstick right in the center, and that's it. That is what finishes the look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I certainly did enjoy this look a lot. Let me know how you feel about this makeup look. And thank you for staying up with my channel and supporting me. Please subscribe to my channel, comment below, and hit a like and share this video if you enjoyed watching my videos. Thank you so much.